Hello children, today we are going to discuss English language for class 3. In the previous assignment, we have discussed the adjectives. So, I would like to continue telling you more about adjectives, and they are the degrees of comparison. In adjective, we have 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In positive degree, we use base form, that is if the word is hot. Then in comparative degree means comparing the two things, comparing two or more things. What we use in comparative degree? We use er or more to the base form of the verb. That is, hot is the base form of the verb, and if we are going to add er, so it will become hotter. Superlative degree is the third degree of adjective in which we compare 3 or more nouns. And what do we add in this? est or most to the base form of the verb, that is hot, hotter, hottest. I have many books. I am more surprised than you are. This is the most beautiful flower. So these are the 3 degrees of comparisons in adjectives. So let us look at the usages. The degrees of comparison are formed in the following ways. First, by adding er for the comparative degree and est for the superlative as discussed above. Kind is the positive, kinder comparative and kindest superlative. By replacing y and adding ier for comparative degree and iest for superlative degree. For example, the word is happy, so it will be in the positive degree. If we are going to make it in comparative, we are going to add ier and in superlative iest. Third, we double the consonant in the end and add er for comparative and est for the superlative degree. So what do we get? Big, bigger, biggest. Adding more to form comparative and most to form the superlative degree. Beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Some adjectives change completely in the comparative and superlatives degrees. For example, the positive is good, so the comparative will become better and the superlative will become best. So let's continue further to our next topic, that is pronouns. A word which is used in place of a noun in a sentence is usually known as pronoun. So Rohini is going to the market. She wants to buy ice cream. So Rohini is a naming word and she is used in place of a naming word, that is in place of a noun. Madhur is happy. He came first in the class. Madhur is a noun and he is used in place of a noun. The bird was hungry. It ate the fruit. Bird is a naming word and it is used in place of the noun. Okay. The pronoun he is used in place of the noun. Qasim in this sentence. Qasim is an old man. He walks slowly. So he is used in place of the noun Qasim. There is a woman in the balcony. She is our neighbor. The pronoun she is used in place of the noun woman. The dog has bread, meat and milk. It is a loyal and it is loyal to me. The pronoun it is being used in place of the noun dog. This is my doll. I play with it every day. The pronoun it is being used in place of the noun doll. So, the pronouns are used in place of nouns. Deepak and Hirak are brothers. They are twins. So, the pronoun they is used in place of the nouns Deepak and Hirak. The pronouns I, you, he, she and they are used in place of names of the people. It is used for things and animals. The common pronouns that we use are I, we, you, he, she, it, they, them, him, her, me and us. So basically these words are pronoun, means these are used in place of nouns. So these are the pronouns, but in order to understand them better, we must know their usage. With am, is and are. So look at here, am, is and are. So am, are and is are verbs which show that something is happening at the present time. each of them is used with different kinds of nouns and pronouns. So here we are studying pronoun and the usages of am, is and are with pronouns. Usage of am. I am a cyclist. I am Freddy. I am a dog. I am Santa. We use the verb am with the pronoun I. That is, am is used with I. Look at the next one. He is a big boy. She is a tennis player. This box is heavy. We use the verb is with singular nouns, the pronouns he, she and it, and with this and that also. So with he, she and it we use is. Are. We are friends. We are in Shimla. There are 4 of us. You are also in Shimla. Your coat and cap are pretty. These are our cats. They are cute. So we use the verb are with plural nouns, the pronouns we, you and they, and with these, those and their. So with pronouns we, you and they, we use are. Now am and is used for one person or thing, and are is used for more than one person or thing. And if you're talking about you is used with one person as well as more than one person or thing. So this was our topic. Hope you've understood it. Thank you, children.